Today we're trying out the black bean burger, the Chipotle black bean burger, Aldi brand. And for $3 you get, a little under $3, you get 4 burgers. They actually smelt really good, and this is the preferred method of cooking them in a non-stick coated pan. And it says 3 minutes on each side. They are an average size burger. I'd say 3 inches across. And you can see they're loaded with all kinds of cool stuff. Black beans, corn, what else is on the ingredients here? It looks like garlic. It's made with a brown rice base. That's the biggest ingredient, is brown rice, or the largest ingredient. Onions, green chilies, corn, black beans, canola oil, filtered water, chipotle pepper, soy protein concentrate. Now that's the thing I'm questioning, is I don't know how that was processed. There's some process methods, the way they extract the soy protein, that are unhealthy for you. So that's the questionable ingredient for this. Then we've got red peppers, which is fine, wheat gluten, tamari, I don't know how to pronounce that exactly, tamari, I don't even know what that is. It's water, soybean, and salt. Oh, it's a combination, that's what that is, okay. Soy protein gum, oh wait a minute, soy protein flour. Again, how did they extract the soy protein? If you look up extracting proteins from soy, there is a chemical that they use on some of these products that is unhealthy for you. There is green peppers, dried onion, cellulose gum, sea salt, brown sugar, dried garlic, and natural flavor spices. Okay, so that's what's in this, and it's 7 grams. Let me show you the nutritional content here. 130 calories, which is really great. 7 grams of protein, which is good, because then you add a bun or something with it that has protein in it as well. So overall, these seem to be pretty good, with the exception of those little things, but I'm just extra picky when it comes to that soy protein. I don't want to consume a lot of that if it's extracted in the way that has this, I think the chemical's called hexine or hexene. If you look it up, you'll find it. But that's what I look for when I'm looking for these things. I wish it would have just had all the black bean, pure black bean and vegetables. That would have been a little bit more healthy for you, but I think they're trying to add that to boost up the protein. But when I make my black bean burgers, I actually just use all black beans. But, oh, let me flip this, because it does say after. And here is the burger. It's really pretty delicious. I love field roast as well. This one's right up there with field roast. It's a total different flavor and texture than field roast. But this is very satisfying right here. And we're serving it with some bread and butter pickles, fresh sliced tomatoes, and underneath that there is some, I'll show you on this one that's not done yet, jalapenos. I love the bread and butter pickles. And then we're using some Vegenaise for the mayonnaise here, and serving it with a Southwest salad type. Little spicy dressing here, so it goes well. This is a chopped salad, so it goes well. Like I said, the burger, okay, when you eat it plain, it's pretty crunchy. I cooked the second side pretty good. I didn't burn it, but we like it kind of crispy anyways. It kind of gives it that feeling of grilled, but this is what it looks like on the inside, and it's got a lot of the chunks of some red peppers, so pretty big and chunky, so very flavorful. And it has like you can definitely taste the individual vegetables, which is good. The base of it almost is like, if you've ever had a McDonald's burger, although I don't know who has not, but when you taste like the plain McDonald's hamburger, it has almost that flavor to it. Because to me, McDonald's hamburgers don't taste like real meat. They taste kind of fakeish. So it has that flavor to it. The base of this is really pretty good as a flavor. And of course, when you put it into all this, It tastes absolutely delicious, especially, actually, that little char brown did a little good for this. But overall, it tasted pretty good. Here's one that was cooked. I'll show you here. I am anticipating that they do well on the grill because it doesn't, they don't seem to fall apart. Sometimes when I make my own burgers, they do fall apart. And we've tried all of Aldi's burgers, and this one is the one that we like the best, and I think it's because of the chipotle flavor to it. It has a little bit of, and I wouldn't say it's a spicy burger at all. Like I said, we even added more spice to it with these banana peppers here. But it, you know, when you eat it plain, it's not going to knock your socks off spice. And like I said, I like it a little crispy like we did, so that was a happy accident there. But we did a little over 3 minutes on one side and then 3 minutes on the other side on a medium pan. But when I was talking, I did overcook them a little bit. But like I said, this is our favorite of the Aldi's brand, and definitely we buy them again. I actually, when I buy them like 4 to 6 packages at a time because we buy in bulk, so I don't have to shop all the time. So this is the only one that I buy from Aldi's. Like I said, we did try many of the others, and this is our favorite one, so we stuck with this one. So bon appetit, and let me know in the comments how you like them, and if you have a special technique of cooking them. I am going to try them on the grill this summer, so we'll grill up some and see how they handle the grill. But for this, we love them, and they're very flavorful. So enjoy, and bon appetit.